In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your Zilch card to Apple Wallet in just a few minutes. This is the easiest way to use your Zilch card for contactless payments with your iPhone or Apple Watch. First, make sure you've already set up your Zilch account and received your Zilch virtual or physical card. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus plus button in the top right corner to add a new card. From here, select debit or credit card. Then tap Continue. Apple Wallet will ask you to either scan your card or enter the details manually. Since the Zilch card is digital, just open your Zilch app, copy the card number, expiry date, and CVV, then paste or type them into Apple Wallet. Next, Apple Wallet will run a quick verification. Usually, you'll get a notification inside the Zilch app or an SMS to confirm it's really you. Approve the verification, and your Zilch card will instantly appear inside Apple Wallet. From now on, you can double tap your iPhone's side button or use Face ID to pay anywhere Apple Pay is accepted online, in stores, or in apps. If you're using an Apple Watch, the card syncs automatically, so you can just tap your watch to pay. If you have trouble adding the card, check two things. Make sure your iOS is updated to the latest version, and confirm that your Zilch account is active with no restrictions. If it still doesn't work, removing and re-adding the card usually fixes the issue. And that's it, your Zilch card is now live inside Apple Wallet. Fast, easy, and ready to use for all your purchases. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another quick guide. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.